Getting breaking news from Patna. Patna High Court has slammed Bihar government and has said that it may give the responsibility of COVID management to the army. The court has asked the state government to submit their detail in 2 days before a final decision has been taken. We just saw that report filed by Keshav on the apathy in the state. We have Prakash joining us on the phone line. Prakash, if you could give us more details about the observations of the Patna High Court.
Well, the Patna High Court earlier had made observations that why not there's been a lockdown in Bihar for quite some time. There's been a surge in the number of cases. That's what we have been seeing. And now today, again, they've come up that why not it's an emergency-like situation and the health services be handed over to the army. Now, continuously we've been seeing the interference of the courts. But time and again, the court has been making this observation. There's no doubt about that the pathetic condition of the health services in Bihar, and as it is all across the country where people are dying for oxygen and gasping for breath. And the court has certainly made an observation, which is being looked into and day in and day out, but at the same point in time, we also have to understand that the doctors are also tired, and also it is an important aspect that there's been the medical apathy as far as the health infrastructure in Bihar is concerned. And when we speak to the government, they say that the doctors have been burnt out for the last 1 year or so, and many doctors and nurses are also infected. They are also human beings. And at this point in time, the court has made certain observations because there's been rise in the number of positive cases and a lot of asymptomatic cases also. And that is leading to a lot of problems because you never know who is symptomatic and who is asymptomatic, and they are infecting a lot of people. So the number of testing has to be enhanced, and that is what the court is making observations because there is shortage of beds, oxygen beds, ICU, people are dying, and that's what the court has observed. So today, Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar has decided to impose lockdown till 15th of May, after continuous pressure from all quarters and different quarters of the society, as well as the opposition has also been demanding. Earlier, we were told that because of the intervention of the Prime Minister, lockdown was not being imposed in Bihar despite the situation worsening in Bihar. Now, immediately after the Bengal results, lockdown has been imposed, and this is one of the first NDA-ruled government in India that has imposed the complete lockdown till 15th. Back to you.
Thank you very much, Prakash, for joining us with the details.